everyone! It's time for the OMUSUBI ranking again to introduce some great Japanese products. In this video, we're going to talk about some of the useful items that Japanese people use to make the cooking easier. They use just microwave, which shortens the cooking time.
For only 100 yen, I will show you an item that will shorten your daily cooking time and expand your culinary horizons. Let the ranking begin.
Pasta in the microwave. Did you know that you can make pasta inside a microwave?
What? I didn't know.
You can easily make a pasta inside a microwave and that too in a very short minute. At first, measure the pasta with a pasta gauge and then put it in the pasta case. And then fill the container with water up to the line and put a spoonful of salt. All you have to do is microwave it for 4 minutes at 600 warmth. And then you see, the pasta is cooked.
This is easy.
Yes, if you want to try an easy pasta, you better try this one. Hot vegetable microwave cooker. Hot vegetables are very healthy and tasty. I love them. But aren't they hassle to make? With this hot vegetable microwave cooker, you can easily make your vegetable in a very short amount of time with your microwave.
I can even microwave hot vegetables.
At first, you wash the vegetables and then you cook it for the indicated amount of time that is written on the lid. This is all it takes to make the hot vegetable healthy and tasty.
It's too easy.
It is. So whenever you are craving for a hot vegetable, try this one. Microwave dish cooker. This item is very popular in Japan. It allows you to make fried eggs, oyakodon, and any other bowl dishes just by putting the ingredients in the box and heat it in the microwave.
I'm pretty sure I mess up fried eggs.
At this time, I'm gonna make ham and fried eggs together. First, put 2 slices of ham at the bottom and put 2 fried eggs on the top. From there, heat it up at 600 watt for 1 minute and 40 seconds to finish. Then, sprinkle some salt and pepper of your flavor and ta-da! It's done!
It's so easy, but it turns out so much better than what I usually make.
Absolutely! With this ranking, today's menu is complete. With this very simple microwave dish, you can make a fancy meal.
I want to know more about shortcut cooking with microwaves.
All these 3 items are all you need to cook an easy yet fancy meal. If you are in a hurry, please buy these and cook your food. And if you find them interesting, please let us know in the comment section. Thank you!
Thank you!